Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your YouTube thumbnail. So you want to be in the Creator Studio screen, which is the screen that I'm on. And to get to this screen, you just click on your image, your icon in the top right-hand corner, and it brings you to the YouTube Studio. So we're going to click on YouTube Studio, and it brings up my latest video. As you can see, this is the thumbnail that YouTube set it to on default. So I am going to click on this. Actually, I'm going to click on videos, and then I am going to click on the video that I want to change the thumbnail on, and I'm going to select this pencil icon. And you will see down here in this grayed out area that it shows it gives you a choice of 3 thumbnails that you can choose from. And then it also gives you a choice to upload your own thumbnail. Actually, this is the one that I want, but if you wanted to upload your own thumbnail, you could create your thumbnail in Canva. I actually created this thumbnail in Canva as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to come over to the right and choose Save. And that is how you change your thumbnail in YouTube. So we can hit refresh and then go back to our channel to see that the thumbnail has been changed. And there it is. So if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.